Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify payouts don't work. So if your Shopify payouts aren't working, follow these steps shown in this video to fix the problem. Number one way is checking your Shopify payment status. Go to settings at the bottom left of the screen on your Shopify admin, then navigate to payments and check if Shopify payment is enabled. If there's an alert, follow the instructions to resolve it just on this page. So if you'll have problem, it will show up an alert that you'll have to solve by following the prompts given. Now, second way to fix this problem is verifying your bank details. Navigate to settings just on this page, navigate to payments, and here you'll have to basically choose a payment provider and navigate to manage button. If the account is incorrect, update it and save the changes. Now, third way to fix this problem is checking payout schedule. Shopify follows a payout schedule, for example, daily, weekly. So, in order to fix that, navigate to settings, navigate to payment just on this page, and here you'll have to choose the option to view payouts. If you'll have added a payment method, it will show up an option saying view payouts. Here you can see upcoming deposit dates. Now, fourth way to fix this problem is reviewing transaction holds. If Shopify has placed a hold on your funds due to verification or fraud checks, contact Shopify support. Navigate to a new tab, type in Shopify Help Center, then click on Shopify Help Center. Here you can easily contact them and explain your problem, and they could easily help you fix your problem. Now, fixing verification issue can also help you. If Shopify requires business verifications, go to settings, navigate to payment just on this page and upload the necessary documents. Now, sixth way to fix this problem is contacting Shopify support. If everything looks correct but payouts still aren't working, contact Shopify support for further assistance. And this is the simple way through which you can fix the problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.